Okay guys, so let's make today samosa. This is one type of samosa that we do usually back home. I did not do this since a very long time, maybe several years. So yes, this will be nostalgic. Let's make the measurements. So the measurements I have, they are not in proper measurements. I have them like old measurement type, let's say. They're not in grams or cups, but I will try to measure them for you, and then I will share later on. Did I mention that I'm making samosa? I don't remember. So the measurements I have, it will be, it says 1 jar of sour cream, but around 200 grams I will take. Okay. Okay, the next I'm gonna add salt. A teaspoon will be nice. That's not too much. That's just nice. And then let's mix this well. This recipe is very easy actually, and it's not much ingredients. So the next, we will add first flour. I will mix it, then if I need I will add more, then I will understand how much total flour we will need to use in this recipe. This is baking powder. So let's mix this. You can use your hands also, but I don't want to mess up my hands right now. We will do it later. So I'm mixing, and as I see the flour is okay. The amount of flour I added is fine. So I will remove this measurement thing. Yeah. So now I can use my hand. I'll take the flour from my spatula. This is very nice spatula actually. I really like it. It's very hard and it doesn't break. I will not mix it too much because I want the dough to be very soft. I don't want it to be like a ribbon. If I mix it too much, it will start getting sticky again, and then I have to add flour, which I don't want. So I'll just mix it a little bit, just to form a nice shape. And then I will leave it for like 10-15 minutes to have rest before we start rolling it. So I finished mixing, and this is the texture we want. It's not that sticky. You can just keep adding flour just to reach this type of texture. Why am I keep saying consistency? I don't really know. Okay, we will cover this and leave it for like 15 minutes to have rest, then we will roll it. Okay, so we will roll now our dough. I'll try to do it very fast so I'm on time for iftar, so I don't have my iftar late as usual. So now I rolled it. Now I will just take butter. I'll just spread butter like this. The butter is home temperature. Okay, I finished buttering now. I finished buttering, yeah. I finished buttering and now I will start rolling. And then I will start cutting. Yeah, let's start cutting. Now I will take everything on the plate. I will put the dough in the fridge. I will sprinkle some flour and I will put the dough in the fridge until I prepare the filling. Yes. So here I have beef. I wanted chicken, but I found out that I don't have chicken. But you can use chicken, any other meat, or if you're vegetarian, you can use eggs or tofu, any other protein. So here I will add onions and some potatoes. And then for the spices, you can use anything you want. The one I have, I will describe later on my reels once I share it. And some oil to make it nice and juicy. We will mix all this. So here we finished. Now I will add our fillings in each. Now I will add tomatoes, small pieces of tomatoes on top of each of them. And I will add some cheese. This is mozzarella, but you can use any type of cheese, it doesn't matter. And if you don't like cheese, you don't have to use it at all. Cheese is optional, but I love cheese, so I'm adding it. So this is we're collecting them. So here we are. I will brush it with, this is just one egg. I will brush it for some nice and glowy color. And now I will sprinkle with sesame seeds, just for a little bit beauty. We will bake it and I will come back. I'm already late for iftar, but I will find something else to eat. So here are our samosas. Finally I baked them. So I hope they are not stuck. very hot. I will transfer them into the plate. So here they are. I will try to break one, but it's very hot. So I will try now. I hope the salt is fine because I didn't taste the salt. Whew. Very hot. Very hot but tasty, guys.